Hi guys, I hope you're well. I am good. It's in the morning and it's weird that I'm this refreshed. Anyway, by the title of the video, you all know that I'm taking I'm taking you through my morning routine, and I'm doing a twist of all the morning routines that you've ever seen. So I am a very big dog lover. I have 3 dogs. Their breed is a mixture of Japanese Spitz and a Husky. So if you're ever interested in buying one, you can check my Instagram and always be notified when I am selling them. So at the moment, I have puppies, and taking care of them is a task. Though, I mean, everything you love is always a task to take care of. So I'm going to show you how I feed them, what I do for them in the morning. And for puppies, for me, I feed them twice a day, in the morning and in the evening. At times I can feel so philanthropic and give them something during the day, but now I feed her twice. And at this stage, when the puppies are eating, that means the mom doesn't want to suckle them for some weird reason. I don't understand. Anyway, so let me show you what I do and whatever. I hope you enjoy the video. Let me just show you. So I'm not sure if you will see nicely, but in the morning, I have 2 plates for the puppies because I have 6 of them. At times she can give birth to like 8. So I have 2 plates. I feed them rice in the morning. Sometimes I can put Weetabix or like slices of bread. Also, I put water and milk. Okay. And for the mom, the same, but she gets a bigger quantity because she's the mom and she's breastfeeding. And for her, I can put for her anything. Like, I can put Weetabix as well. I can also put, what else do I put? Weetabix, bread, milk, water. Or I can like cook some ugali, inakuwa kama uji, then you put milk and water. So yeah, let's go and I show you. So I've already put the milk, water. Now I've just found bread. It's like soup bread and it's so hard. Oh, and sometimes I can also put for her biscuits. Yeah. I don't know what this does to dogs, but honestly I can't find any more bread, and I had no idea that there was no bread, neither was there Weetabix. So yeah, they have to eat whatever is there, and I don't feel like cooking ugali. I don't think I'll give the puppies the bread because that happened, I know. Whatever. So this is it. This is for the mom. She gets a lot of food. And this is for the puppies. Wow, my tripod. Anyway, so let me talk to you a bit about that. So when puppies are puppies, you need to, like, at the moment it's a bit chilly-ish. Not really chilly, but yeah. So for me, I will put like warm milk and like warm water for them, because they're not used to, you know, like cold and all. But as we progress, I'll just put, wow, let me show you. Mshayana mama mkorofi. This is Boxy. So, at the moment, also, I wipe them with hot water, and I put like, I don't know if it's called dudu clean. I'm a dudu clean. I don't understand. I always mess up the word, but that one, because I find it perfect for viboro to, you get, yeah. So I'll take warm water, put a bit of it there, and wipe them. Wipe, not wash. Wipe, because they're still young to be washed. From 2 months you can start washing them. As for Poxy, because she's my female, the sun, I wash her, yes, but I'll make sure she is completely rinsed. Okay, even after bath I was washing her, but completely rinsed, so that we don't poison the babies. So yeah, let me show you the rests of my dog. Oh, my little babies. Hi. Hi, baby. So these are my 2 alpha males, but this is Lex. He is my biggest alpha. This one. Now, you know how babies are so annoying and they poop all the time and all those things. Now, let me show you where I usually put the babies. This is where I put them. Now, let me show you what they do overnight. You see all that? All that is poop. And I'm always so glad because I have this black thing. So it's removable. You can remove it. Ah. Their house is clean housey. I always put them a kamat so that they're not too cold. Then I leave a spot for them to poop right there. So the mat is like 3/4 way, then there's a quarter part that's empty. That's them. Oh, look at that one. So sleepy. So because of distraction of the sun and all that, I put that mat to cover them. that is enough exercise, don't you think? Anyway, I'm back in the house, and that is what I do every morning before my day starts. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about dogs, please don't hesitate to ask. Bye, guys.